Centre. Car is blocking the view though. Till end of the year, supposed to be 4 floors, but only 2 floors available. There's no information on the one that really it's a area to dig. Is that the one? The brush, where's the brush? The brush. Wait. Hey, keep increasing the light. Being more blade doesn't mean it will go faster. They make it faster.
Surface area pushes more, the air pushes in, but it might make more wiggle.
Okay, so isn't it something on airplane or helicopter mostly?
Yeah.
This time it can slow down. Okay, cooler. Does it work? Oh wow. Study the texture. Try something crystal. So that one. I need to focus again. Your eyes are okay, just the geography.
因为你们高度比这个高。
This is called the.
Signal is not very good. I think the thing is signal.
I think it's to show the spread of the tree in the sky. Earthquake table.
That's why the seismograph is good.
Hey, let me. Help me. Yeah. Can you guess the earthquake magnitude? 8. I think it's 8.
I want to get out. Cannot.
It's
Oh my
8.
goodness. No, I don't know. I want to
This
get
is
out.
this is like. Oh, this is 7.6. China 7.9. What is it? Oh, that's true. And intensity. Okay, this is super strong. The one like close. Think so. Maybe.
So they're trying to tell you what kind of room is
You
good.
study architecture. How about like this? Wow.
Sorry.
What did you do? Returning. Okay. I think it's the most fun part. Ice cream.
Hurricane.
Oh, let's go. That teach the student of. Yeah, I know. Hey, I can connect along. See if I'm like the.
Oh, this is. And then this is, I think this is oil.
One is equatorial. Centrifugal force pushes slightly flattened. This slight stretching makes Earth wider at the equator.
Rescue this one already. Yeah, it's scared to stay. Now they have swimming pool on top water forever.
This sound like supposed to do. Seven, six. I think it's a
Yeah, after how many days? Then it's the same.
How high will they go? They will count. There's a count. Julie, udon. This is like a Sarawak river. Let me help. Can you make it go here? Hey, this one. Hey, man, this one can move one. Hey, good job. Lock it then.
Water affects the thing off, coming down.
Exercise.
So, you move which side?
No.
Oh,
Until you put your both on top.
Sand, right?
You were from downstairs now in school. What else do I have? They have forest. Out of the city. You know? Let's see how it works. Wind power is the okay. The mobile. Yeah, turn this one eh. Okay, that's how it works. Oh. A windmill kit. Do less propeller. Not so strong wind. Okay, it's faster now. Hi. Oh, that's how it works. Yeah, try. It's high, but need the propeller fly out lah. Put this
Well, because there's more power available.
so just now with the 3 blade, the consumption was low.
Yeah, because it wasn't turning fast enough. They got three.
Three. Down by half. When I always tell students about how solar power can be used to warm up water, right? But I didn't know it was like this. where there's a
Yeah.
center,
So the light comes down, they bounce all the light into the center down there.
and then you heat up the
Water, and then
heater.
the water turns to steam.
Then
and
the
steam.
water receive the heat. Then the steam. Hey, you're missing out one more light.
No, see, when you turn here, so you see the power drops right away, right?
Ah.
And you just readjust it. So that's why during the day, these things all have to be controlled by a computer that tracks the sun. And I turn all the panels nicely to hit the power law.
So high already, 999 already.
Yeah, this is
The
the
highest
maximum.
already. How about you just concentrate?
Don't turn.
Don't turn up.
Please don't turn.
I see. Okay lah. Different propeller.
Yeah. That's a normal fan blade. That's a propeller blade, whatever.
That one is turning horizontal. Okay,
So
so
it's
which
also-
one is powerful?
Okay, so that one is actually better actually.
Which one is
The
better?
one with the curved thing down there.
I saw in the turbine on the above the building. The one with more blades. No, that one is more faster. I think they centralize the wind. See, this one is faster. So the light here is better. Like no matter.
That's a benchy, man. That's all, right?
So can make phone call already lah. Why is one is running? Voilà, le stitcher. Eh? Okay, now to make both running. See this one, go here, go here. Oh yeah, I don't. You know, in parallel circuit.
Oh, okay.
This one go.
Okay.
Find the make an alarm. Oh, I see why. Connect to 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ah. Yeah, look like a bubble. My gosh. Huh? This is just a mop. Huh. Is it real? Oh, I don't find any snake. Food in Sarawak. Okay, we have a compost bin here. Yeah. This is a video of how it died. Shrimp sorting game.
Yeah.
Video of how it died. Throw away the shrimp.
The stream will be the one.
Why you throw away the
Too
small
small.
one?
Wait.
Grab.
I scored 300.
Press the one.
Oh, yes. Yes.
I think it's supposed to go like that.
No, the thing will be there are three of us playing, cannot do it. What does it mean? They mean what?
Pacemaker.
Oh, okay.